Take command of the road in the 2007 Lexus RX 350. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It includes power seats, a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, and much more. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.